Yo, 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 what's up, good people? How you guys doing this morning, man? It's your boy Surrender coming back at you, man. Um, I guess I just wanted to kind of chop it up with you guys today, man. Just kind of getting out here early morning, man, as you can see in the neighborhood. Uh, Drinking on my Georgia Bulldog tea here. I do what I do every morning, man, but it's just something that was kind of on my mind, man. I was just thinking about how many of us are so inundated with wealth and trying to get money, and some of us are trying to get it because because we just don't have any, and then some of us are just trying to get it because we want more. We're greedy, right? And I realized that at a point in time in a capitalistic society or an environment, most people would think money topics, financial topics would be the most important topic because that's the climate that you're in. And I understand it. I get it. Trust me, man. I get it. And I guess it's the old saying that the poor man always wants to be rich, right? And the rich man always want to be richer. You understand what I'm saying? So money in a capitalistic environment would always be the talk of the town. And it's ironic to me that you guys are either getting rich or you die trying. I'm going to say that again. You're either getting rich or you die trying. Never really understanding the health factor. You're either going to get rich or you're going to die trying. For the most of us, we're dying in the trial, never obtaining riches or wealth. And we're dying, not really even, I don't even think we're dying with heavy pursuit. A lot of us is dying just from working on a job, not really putting a whole bunch of effort in trying to get wealth or riches. Just taking care of their responsibilities, just doing what they had to do on a mediocre level, and I'm not trying to, say anything about that kind of life. I just think a simple life is a mediocre life, right? You're not necessarily trying to squeeze all the juice out of life as far as how much money you're going to be able to make in life. For a lot of us, money is not the essence of life. It's family. And so, quite honestly, a lot of us could die happy knowing that we did our best, we tried, and we fulfilled whatever responsibilities we could in the time slot that we were here in, right? For a lot of us, that's satisfaction, but for a lot of us, it's not. So the reason why I'm making this video is because I realized that everybody is kind of okay with the money topic, but not so okay with the health topic. And here's my thing, man, is I would rather obtain the oldest story in history, which is eternal life. And no matter what religion, no matter what aspect of life you're in, you were told that we could live forever. You were told that we should be able to have eternal life, go to some kind of place called heaven. I truly believe that earth is heaven, and I want to try to be here for as long as a period of time as I possibly can. And that doesn't have a lot to do with the pursuit of wealth more than it has to do with the pursuit of health. Now, like I said, I know you guys live in a capitalistic community, and so money is always going to be a heavy topic for you. But what about yourself? What about health? Why are you not interested in your health? Okay? This is one of the things that truly concern me, especially as being a part of humanity, and not only that, but the part of the black race. We have for so long been so dependent on what we've been told medicinally and educationally and socially. And, it's high time we come up out of that zombie-like, right? And start researching for ourselves how to take care of it. Right? So that's some of the stuff that we just got to do as a people. Okay? And furthermore, man, when you're talking about health and when you're trying to be a herbalist out here and this, that, and the third, I know there's a lot of information, and I know you guys may not know a lot about herbal medicine. It's the oldest tradition in the world. It was herbal medicine before it was pharmaceuticals. Okay. So, you know, they're trying to push the herbalists out of the way, but we are really the ones who they had been coming to, and that eventually they will return back to. Okay. But this goes out to all the herbalists out there. Find you good herbs, good indigenous herbs. Okay. Let's stop giving our people the you know, the same old. Okay. And also too, herbalists and people who are going to herbalists. One thing that you need to know is when you walk into a herbalist store, if you walk into a herbalist store and they have their herbs by any kind of sunlight, walk out. If they have see-through jars, right, and it's not tinted or it's not stainless steel, walk out. Okay. If they don't know where they're getting their herbs from, if they're where they're being sourced, is they're wild crafted or anything like that, walk out. Because all they're doing is doing the same thing as the medicinal companies, man. They're just giving you generic stuff that has no potency. Okay? So that's why I'm here. I'm trying to revive the real herbalists that understand the true essence of how to keep herbs, and also to the potency and also the synergy that herbs have with the body. Okay? So I just ask that you guys continue to do your research, man. Stay down with your health. I know that wealth is a very big topic, but you can't do anything if you're not healthy enough. That's just the bottom line, man. You can't enjoy any aspects of life without health being at its optimal time. And that's mental health, that's physical health, and that's spiritual health. And those are all the things you can get at Leafofvitalessentials.com. And continue to just tag, like, share the videos. Which is YouTube at Leafofvitalessentials. Subscribe to the channel, man. We're giving out very, very good information about wealth and about health. And I mean, I'm talking about stuff that hasn't necessarily been talked about. We're unearthing things. We're bringing new understandings to the way that we can devise wealth as well as health. And this has been your boy, man. And this is my life mission. So it doesn't really matter what you think. I love you anyway. And there's nothing you can do about it. Until next time, this your boy, man. Surrender. Peace.